So my name is Andy McLoughlin. I'm co-founder of a business named Huddle. I think to summarize our business in 4 words, Huddle is all about less chatting, more doing. We make intelligent collaboration tools for the enterprise. So at a glance, Huddle was founded in 2006 by myself and Alistair Mitchell, who's the CEO currently based in London. We make intelligent collaboration software for global enterprises, and I'll go into exactly what this means in a couple of minutes. We're currently used by more than 100,000 businesses in 180 countries, and we've raised about 40 million in total venture funding. We're currently backed by VCs Eden Ventures in the UK, Matrix Partners, DAG Ventures, and Jafco Ventures here on the West Coast. And we have offices in London, San Francisco, field sales in New York, and we're going to be opening up in Washington later on this year. Growing rapidly, currently more than 100, and we're going to be more than 200 by the end of this year. So a few milestones. We raised our Series A at the end of 2007, our Series B in the middle of 2010. In July 2011, we launched our first public cloud version of the service, which is in use by the UK government. And Huddle now accounts for 89% of all money spent on cloud spending by UK government. We launched our intelligent sync platform. So if you guys, everybody loves Dropbox, right? Dropbox, great for the user, not so good for the enterprise. So responding to the demand for that, we launched the sync in 2012, and we did our Series C in May. So how big is the market? I mean, I think I wrote these slides before what had happened this week with Yammer and Microsoft, but I think that tells everybody here how big this market is. I mean, overall, the enterprise content collaboration space is a $25 billion market opportunity. Right now, SharePoint, which celebrates its 11th birthday this year, just to give you an idea of how old that technology is, SharePoint is worth $10 billion per year to Microsoft and the Microsoft ecosystem, with 1.4 to 2 billion going to Microsoft every single year. 125 million seats have been deployed, not that many in use. In terms of this space, I mean, there are hundreds of millions of potential seats just in the US, and when you think globally, there is no denying that this is a big, big space. In terms of where Huddle sits, we see the market breaking down into 3 main areas. Firstly, you have sharing and kind of personal collaboration. So, traditionally, the legacy solution has been email. The cloud social is Twitter. And in terms of content, really, that's Dropbox and iCloud. The next stage is SMB. Again, email reigns supreme for legacy collaboration. Cloud, it's Yammer, although really, I guess we can now lump that into part of Microsoft. And in terms of cloud content, Office 365 and Box. And up at the enterprise level, the big player, SharePoint, Jive in the middle, and in terms of the cloud content collaboration, storage, sharing, and getting stuff done, it's really all about Huddle. And in terms of where this market is going, as Gartner said, 70% of all businesses will be moving to the cloud in the next 5 years. So what does Huddle actually let you do? Well, it lets you store, discover, share, and work on content securely in the cloud. Now, we call this content collaboration, which is bringing together enterprise content management, the stuff that people have been doing for a very long time, with social collaboration, which you know how huge that is now. We provide great security across the firewall because traditional solutions work great inside, but then as soon as you try to open them up, not so great for people coming in from the outside. And then everybody would revert to the one collaboration tool which everybody has access to, but is a terrible way to collaborate, which is email. It's ubiquitous, so we have tools for the desktop, tools on the web, tools on the iPhone, iPad, Android, and BlackBerry. And underpinning all of this is a predictive intelligence which selects the most relevant content and pushes it to all of your devices. The big problem there is I'm working in a huge company, say Unilever. I've got somebody in sales who's creating content which is actually very, very relevant for me in marketing, but I just don't know about it. What Huddle will do is semantically analyze that content, look at the interaction I'm having with the system and what I'm doing with other people, and then begin to push that content to my device. Because what we're looking for is the holy crap moment when someone says, I didn't even know this thing existed, and here it is on my iPad, and I'm sitting on a plane and I don't even have connectivity. That is when true collaboration happens. Underpinning all of this, we have a great guarantee, 99.9% uptime guaranteed. We guarantee adoption in your first install, and 50% lower TCO than SharePoint. I mean, this is a bit of a no-brainer when it comes to enterprises who are looking to collaborate. In terms of features, you can see that on the right here. We bring together cloud storage, cloud sharing, task and project management, wikis, meetings, Wrap that up with the social stuff like reply by email, discussions, activity streams, profiles, and then layer in the enterprise features, permissions, auditing, versioning, approvals, a full comprehensive API, enterprise support, administration tools, etc. In terms of the KPIs, so very briefly, the business is growing 300% year on year. Enterprise sales this year will grow 800%. In terms of where we're doing our business, 40% US, 45% UK. You can tell by my accent that that's where our heritage is, and about 15% rest of world. We assume that US will make up more than 65% in the coming years. This is a big, big market for us. So if I was going to summarize, we have a great opportunity for exponential global growth. We've got a proven track record of success. You can see some of the enterprise customers that we're working with here on the right. Ministry of Justice in the UK ripped out SharePoint for all of their users and put Huddle in. The BBC, Unilever, NBC, Disney, NASA, these aren't small mom and pop shops. These are big companies deploying Huddle. We believe that we'll be an IPO candidate within 36 months, and we are looking for technologies that will work with our platform and companies that we can acquire. If you want to get in contact with me, my email address is there, as is my co-founder's. Thank you.